what a rolling calf is. Anybody ever see one? Or no come from the Caribbean? Well, alright, I need to explain to you first. A rolling calf is a goat, but it come in the form of a small cow, a baby cow. It have fire in tail, and he red like fire too. Now, we have some man where we call Obia man back home. And the older people them always tell me the story them late at night. When them don't tell story, we can't go home. Who never go to Jamaica when night come? Pitch black. Let me tell you. Right? I'm going to take you to Jamaica. Hold on. St. Thomas. One little place called Mount Vernon. On the side of the Blue Mountain. Steep. If you drop from the top, you roll to the bottom. Anyway. My mother going to the kitchen. Hello. When she going to the kitchen? No water no in there. But guess what? My family love chocolate tea. We can't sleep without it. You know the chocolate tea with it? I'll band it up. You like it or not? If you drink it too fast, it burn up the whole of your top of your mouth. Anybody know what can cure it? Vaseline. No man, you're going to get milk in the morning. Because we not no fridge either. So when we were going to the kitchen, there was no water. But I was only 5 years old, you know, at the time. She decided to say, well, then, and don't forget, you know, can't sleep without this chocolate tea. She came on the back, looking at the water butt. That's what we call it. Barrel. Looking at the barrel. Barrel full of water. But guess what? One kamikaze lizard commit suicide in it. And we not drink that. As poor as we was, we not drink that. So somebody tell me when they say, we're going to box it out and drink it. Just while it is alright. No, man. We don't deal with that. So, I was brave, you know. I was brave, man. I decided, so, well, then, I go and help out my mother. So, you know where the bucket was? Out the door dark, you know. So, I pick up the bucket torch and I light it. Take up a little butter pan. I say, Mama, me soon come. We go to the road. We turn up at the gate. With the bucket torch in my hand. This one blinky fly past. How was that? That was nothing. Down the road, about 5 minutes, is the gully. About a mile up the road, on the top of the hill, stand pipe. The gully is only near, you know. But remember the Sammy did that down there? I'm going down there. So we decided to go up the top of the hill. I walk and go on, man. And think to myself, I'm home. When we catch on the top of the hill, me one eyes, me tap, me look. Me see one two red eye. I remember when the old people they say, "No make rolling job, get you." My brain went funny. My head swell. We couldn't think. All we could think is to, Lord, me dead now. So me dash the water pan. We forget to need the torch. We dash the torch too. And me head down the hill. Man, I run up. Man, I run, you see. Me afraid, all my heart nearly come out. You that now? You know that now? No, man. You see, I take off down the hill, I run. I remember say, my uncle lived down the road. And we could have gone in the escape, but remember say, I have 2 dogs. A man eat of them. I mean, I'm going nowhere near them. So me run. When we catch on the yard, my mother come out of the door. And she look to see what the night is all about. We run so frightened me lick down my mother. Run past. I try to stop you, but so frightened me lick her down. Run past me that they catch me and lift me up. That's 5 years old, you know. He lift me up and say, boy, what's the matter? We said that we really can't run after me. That's what we thought. I wasn't saying nothing. No. Nothing can't come out. But guess what? When we reach the Hunter Gate at the T-junction, we turn left. The rolling cab turn right, and I'm the younger man this him after. And guess what? That's why Jamaicans can't run so fast. Because we have run for a rolling cab long time. Usain Bolt. Take a lie, me I tell. One did run after him when he was 4.